So here is the study plan for CMA Inter June 2021 attempt, and this plan is basically for single group students, for those who are planning to give either of the two groups, and that is either group 1 or group 2. So guys, I am assuming that you will be starting your studies from October. So from October 2020 to May 2021 you have 8 months in your hand, because exam will be held in June 2021. So you have 8 months. Okay, now listen what you have to do. You have to study 2 subjects per day, or you can increase the number of subjects as per your potential. So one subject will be of practical and another subject will be numerical subject. So there is no such so-called theory subject in professional courses. Either it is practical subject or numerical subject. Why am I saying practical? Because law and direct taxation are to be studied with practical approach and not with theoretical approach. So the best approach to study is to take one practical subject, that is either law or taxation, and one numerical subject, that is either financial accounts or cost accounts. So you are having total 8 months, and the subject that you have to complete is 4. So 4 subjects and 8 months. So what will be your approach? October, November, December and January you will be completing all the 4 subjects apart from your tuition classes, if you are taking any classes from anywhere. Okay, so you have to study 4 to 5 hours, 4 hours minimum and 5 hours maximum apart from your tuition classes. Okay, so 4 to 5 hours you will be starting initially to study apart from your tuition classes, and in the month of February and March you will increase the number of hours to 6 hours, or as per your potential. Okay, so you will be doing 6 hours per day in the month of February and March, and that is 3 hours of 2 combined subjects each. For example, if you are doing 3 hours practical subject, then another 3 hours in the evening you will be doing numerical subject. So likewise you will not be in the burden to complete your syllabus or your course. Now in the month of February and March you will be referring suggested answers of the institute and the past year question papers. You will be solving these 2, as your syllabus will already be completed in these 4 months respectively. So, and in the last 2 months, that is in April and May, you will increase your number of hours to 9 hours maximum and not more than that, because group 1 doesn't require much effort. So you will be doing 8 to 9 hours of study, and you will be also solving mock test papers, that is MTP and test series. Because without solving mock test paper, please don't go to give the exams, as it won't be fruitful. So please try to solve at least 3 to 4 MTPs before attempting your exam. Now here are some important stuffs for the exam, that is you can't ignore them. The very first one is institute study material. You have to complete all the study material of all 4 subjects. And then institute MTP and suggested answers, you have to solve them or go through them. And also the objective questions of the institute, you can download the PDF from icmai.in, that is the institute website. And then you have to do multiple times revision. This is the must. You can complete the syllabus once, and you have to revise your syllabus multiple times. So my dear friends, the only key to clear any exam, any professional exam, is that when you have completed your syllabus, you have to do multiple times revision. So follow one subject, one teacher, and multiple times revision. That will only help you to clear your exam wisely and without any pressure or depression. So don't blame the course for its vast syllabus. You can easily complete with this type of approach for single group students. So I will soon be uploading the strategy for both group students as well. So till then, study well and do follow the routine from October itself. You have a day time left to enjoy. So this is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Do share it with all those students who are attempting single group or who are planning to attempt single group in June 2021 attempt. So lots of thanks, and be disciplined, and thank you so much for watching.